Good evening, Mr. Salariaga. Today present my English project, which is my personal info. Information about me. My name is Alexander and my last name is Quispe. Spell is Quispe. My height is 118 centimeters and my weight is 82 kg. And my email address is alexanderqh@gmail.com and my phone number is 940567145. I have a nickname. My nickname is Alex and also I am 17 years old. And in addition, I am from Peru. I am Peruvian. I am from the city of Lima. And finally, I speak Spanish. Friends. My best friend is Adrian, and I don't have a girlfriend and I don't have a roommate. And my classmates in basic if 1 to IGNA is Dwayne, and also he is my friend. Favorites. Lady Gaga is my favorite singer, and The Score is my favorite band, and also pop is my favorite kind of music. Volley and soccer are my favorite sports, and also my favorite movie is Jujutsu Kaisen Zero. And 31 Minutos is my favorite TV show, and and finally my favorite food are makis. Personal possessions. I have modern headphones, and I have a cool PC, and finally I have a traditional wallet. Thanks for attention.